Hello student, this is lecture number 24 of permutation combination. In this lecture we are discussing problems based on group theory. If you have doubts in basics, you can watch my previous videos and I have shared best problem of permutation combination. उसका लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में डाल दिया है. You can watch my all videos and if you have doubt, you can comment me. So first problem of today's lecture is, in how many ways can 12 different balls be divided between two boys, one receiving 5 and the other receiving 7 balls? Also, in how many ways can these 12 balls can be divided into group of 5, 4 and 3 balls respectively? तो हमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है. Now solution. According to problem, we want in how many ways can 12 different balls be divided between two boys. Okay, here mentioned is what divided between two boys. That means we have to do distribution. If it is mentioned that divided between two boys, okay, so here given is what two boys, so we can say that we have to do distribution. One receiving 5 and the other is what 7 balls. So out of two boys, one boy is getting what 5 balls and one is getting 7 balls. Okay, but in this one there is no specify that which boy is getting 5 balls and which boy is getting 7 balls. Okay, anyone can get 5 balls and other can get 7 balls. Okay, so what we have to do, first there are 12 balls. Okay, these 12 balls we have to divide into two groups. In first group we want 5 balls, in second group we want 7 balls. After that these two groups we have to distribute among two boys. Okay, so first we have to do grouping. Okay, so total ball is what 12, so 12 factorial divided by, there are two groups. In first group we have 5 balls, in second group we have 7 balls. So what will do, 5 factorial into 7 factorial. After that these two groups we have to distribute among two boys. So what will come, 2 factorial, because we have to distribute two groups between two boys. So 2 factorial will come. So this is your answer. Next part is, how many ways can these 12 balls can be divided into group of 5, 4 and 3 balls respectively. So here these 12 balls we have to divide into three groups. Okay, so there are 12 balls, we have to divide these 12 balls into three groups. In first group we want 5 balls, in second group we want 4 balls, in third group we want 3 balls. So here we have to do only grouping. So what will come, 12 factorial. Okay, and all three groups are unequal. So what will come, 5 factorial, 4 factorial, 3 factorial. So this is your answer. So this is answer of second part. Next problem is, in how many ways can a pack of 52 cards be? So there are three parts. First part is divided into 4 groups of 13 cards each. Second part is distributed equally among 4 players in order. And third part is divided into 4 sets, 3 of them having 15 cards each and fourth is 7 cards. Okay, so these three problems we have to solve. Now solution. Okay, first part we are solving first. Okay, we want divided into 4 groups of 13 cards each. Okay, so total card is what, 52. These 52 cards we have to divide among 4 groups. Okay, each having 13 cards. So in first group we want 13 cards, in second group we want 13 cards, in third also we want 13 cards, in fourth also we want 13 cards. Okay, so we have to do only grouping. So what will come, total card is what, 52. So 52 factorial. Okay, divide by, in all group we have 13 cards, 13 cards, 13 cards, 30 cards. So what will come, 13 factorial into 13 factorial into 13 factorial into 13 factorial. Okay, all 4 groups are equal size. Okay, so we have to multiply this one with 1 by 4 factorial. This is your answer. Now we are solving second part. According to second part, we want distributed equally among 4 players in order. Okay, so we want to distribute all the 52 cards equally among 4 players in order. Okay, so first we have to divide 52 cards into 4 equal parts. So that will be 52 cards, we have to divide all the cards equally. So 13, 13, 13, 13. Okay, so 52 cards we are dividing into 4 equal parts. Okay, so first we have to do grouping. So what will come, 52 factorial divided by 13 factorial, 13 factorial, 13 factorial, 13 factorial, and all 4 groups are equal size. So we have to multiply with that 1 by 4 factorial. Now these 4 groups we have to distribute among 4 players, okay, in order. So what you have to do, this we have to multiply with what, 4 factorial, because we have to distribute among 4 players. So what will come, 52 factorial divided by 13 factorial, 13 factorial, 13 factorial, 30 factorial into 1 by 4 factorial into 4 factorial. This is your answer for second one. Now we are solving third part. According to third part, we want dividing into 4 sets, 3 of them having 15 cards each and 4th is having 7 cards. So there are total 52 cards. Okay, 3 sets is having 15 cards each. So 15 cards, 15 cards, 15 cards, and 4th is having 7 cards. Okay, here we have to do only grouping. There is no distribution. So what will come? 52 factorial divided by 15 factorial into 15 factorial into 15 factorial into 7 factorial. Now here there are 3 groups which are equally in size. So what you will do? You have to multiply here 1 by 3 factorial because 3 groups are equal size. Next problem is, in how many ways can 9 different books be distributed among 3 students if each receive at least 2 books? तो हमें प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करनी है. Now solution. Okay, in this problem we want, in how many ways can 9 different books be distributed among 3 students? So from here we can say that this problem is a distribution of 9 books among 3 students if each receive at least 2 books. Okay, so this problem is a distribution. So what you will do, first these 9 different books. Okay, so there are 9 books. These 9 books we want to distribute among 3 students. So these 9 books we will divide into 3 groups. Okay, so this one is what, first group, this one is second group, this one is third group. Okay, so first we are finding total number of way of dividing 9 different books into 3 groups. Okay, so one of the possibilities is what? See, we want each group should receive at least 2 books. Okay, so how many possibilities are there? So first group is receiving 2 books. Second group is also 2 books. And remaining is what? 5 books. So third group is what? 5 books. It is also possible that first group is receiving 2 books, second is receiving 3 books, and third is receiving 4 books. It is also possible that first is receiving 3 books, second is receiving 3 books, and third is also receiving 3 books. Okay, so first we are finding total number of ways of dividing 9 different books into 3 groups. Okay, so this one is what? First group, this one is second group, and this one is third group. Okay, so in this one we have 3 cases: first case, second case, and third case. So for finding total number of way of dividing 9 books into 3 groups, okay, we have to add all the 3 cases: first case plus second case plus third case. According to first case, we want to divide 9 books into 3 groups in such a way that in first group we have 2 books, in second group we have 2 books, in third group we have 5 books. So total way is what? 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 2 factorial into 5 factorial. Now here these 2 groups are equal size. Okay, so here 2 groups are what? Equal size. So what you do? Into 1 by 2 factorial plus case 2. According to case 2, we want to divide 9 books into 3 groups in such a way that first group we have 2 books, in second group we have 3 books, in third we have 4 books. So what will come? 9 factorial divided by 2 factorial into 3 factorial into 4 factorial, and all are different. So what will come? This one only will come, plus third case. In third case, in first group we have 3 books, in second also we have 3 books, in third also we have 3 books. So what will come? 9 factorial divided by 3 factorial into 3 factorial into 3 factorial. Now here all 3 groups are equal size, so we have to multiply this one with 1 by 3 factorial. Okay, so this will be what? Total number of way of dividing 9 books into 3 groups. Now here we have to distribute these 3 groups. Okay, first group, second group, and third group. We have to distribute these 3 groups among 3 students. Okay, so distribution of 3 groups among 3 students is what? 3 factorial. So into 3 factorial. So this will give what? Total number of way of dividing distributing 9 different books among 3 students.